Hi, and welcome to our introduction to Horizon Interest Reward, the most recent enhancement brought to you by Standard Life and Finance. By way of introduction, my name is Sanjay Gardia, and I'm National Sales Manager. The benefits of customers servicing interest for their beneficiaries or family are far greater as a result of the higher rate interest environment. These increasing rates bring into sharper focus the impact of rolled up interest on consumer borrowing, significantly driving up the total cost of borrowing throughout the duration of a lifetime mortgage plan. We have found the spectrum of customers who have the ability to fully service the interest to those who have no ability to service the interest has broadened. This in turn has left many customers with having some affordability to service some of the interest and gives significant opportunities for some product evolution. So who is this for? We see this for customers who will typically take out a lifetime mortgage. However, they have an appetite to make contractual payments instead of taking out the optional voluntary repayments. And in turn, they will receive a lower interest rate for the duration of their lifetime mortgage. And another customer profile are those who currently hold a residential mortgage. However, this fits within the existing lifetime mortgage loan to value levels. And these customers are either unable or unwilling to continue to fully service their existing mortgage and broader borrowing commitments due to significant increase in interest rates. In more general terms, the products are targeted at borrowers with an ability and appetite to make contractual payments and those looking to release a cash lump sum from their property for one of a number of allowable reasons. So how does it work? This is a traditional lifetime mortgage product allowing customers to make interest payments in return for a rate discount on a Horizon lump sum and fee-free plans only. And these will start from a Horizon 300 plans and upwards. The level of discount is determined on the amount of interest paid, and this is a percentage which starts at either 50%, 75%, or 100% of the interest element, and over a predetermined term of either 5, 10, or 15 years. When customers commit to a certain percentage and term, this will allow them to benefit from a lower interest rate for the duration of the lifetime mortgage, providing all payments are made during the agreed term. In addition, optional voluntary payments are allowed outside of the agreed terms and still up to the 10% that we offer on our traditional Horizon plans. And this 10% is based on the initial loan amount throughout each 12-month period. Should customers opt to make these voluntary repayments, this does not impact the contractual commitment and applied discount, and in turn, your customers will not incur any early repayment charge. So by way of an example, this is based on the property value of 286,000 and the customer releasing an amount of £65,780. Based on a 20-year roll-up lifetime mortgage plan and an MER rate of 5.98%. This table illustrates the impact on customers who make no monthly repayments, with the loan accruing to an amount of £216,880. If your customer opts to make contractual payments for a 5-year term and commit to servicing 50% of the interest element, the MER rate will reduce by 5 bips to 5.93%. Your customer will commit to making contractual payments of £163 per month for a duration of 5 years. Over the 20 years in this example, your customers will save £34,318. And the last example here shows the customer committing to a 15-year term and servicing 100% of the interest. For this commitment, your customer will receive a rate discount of 45 bips. The monthly repayment amount will equate to £303, and your customers will save over £134,800 for the duration of the 20 years. Payment terms. All payments will be collected via standing order. If your customers were to miss payments of up to a value of 3 months, we will ensure that the discount is not removed during the contractual payment. This is providing the customers make up that shortfall. So, for example, if the payment shortfall goes over the value of 3 monthly payments, the discount will automatically be removed and the product will simply revert back to the non-discounted rate. In order to retain the discount for the duration of the lifetime mortgage, all contractual payments must be made and any shortfall will need to be made up within the agreed payment period. If not made up during that time, the payment period can be extended by up to 3 months. And lastly, voluntary repayments. Customers can recommence repayments on a voluntary basis at any point, but the discount will not be reapplied. These payments will be treated as voluntary partial repayments and may be subject to ERCs. All the features available on our existing Horizon range will apply in addition to the rate discount your customers will benefit from with a Horizon interest reward plan. So your customers will still benefit from a fixed early repayment charge period of only 8 years. They will also benefit from our downsizing protection feature, which kicks in from day one. The ability to make partial repayments of up to 10% of the initial loan for each 12-month period will still be intact. And lastly, for joint applications, the ERC exemption will apply. So should one of the two applicants sadly pass away or end up residing in care, your customers will benefit from an unrestricted ERC-free window on one of those two life events. So Horizon interest rewards will be based on our Horizon 300 plan upwards. It is a lump sum only plan and it is on our fee-free rate. The product parameters remain the same. The property value can start from 99,000 and can go up to 5.1 million. The loan amounts from £10,000 up to 1.5 million. The youngest applicant must be at least 55, or the maximum age at application is just under 85 years old, 84 plus 364 days. The team at Standard Life and Finance are here to help every step of the way. If you have any queries on a Horizon interest reward plan, please contact your dedicated telephone account manager. Their details can be found by scanning the QR code. Alternatively, you can contact our advisor support team on 0333 307 9000, or you can email us at info@standardlifehomefinance.co.uk. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to supporting you and your customers.